What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm sorry I haven't been posting for a while. Yeah. But anyways, today I'm gonna be going into random lobbies and acting like a new player and seeing if people are nice. But anyways, I'm going to change my name and stuff. I don't, I don't really know. Okay, I don't really know. But yeah. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna do a ready. Shh. Okay, guys. So let's go.
This corner.
Let me construct your house. Why not?
Hey, can anybody teach me how to play? Can somebody teach me how to play?
What is that? Wait, that's not.
I can wall time. I can't wall run.
Yeah, you're getting it. With someone using mods. Where you at, Bottom?
Who needs help?
I need help. I need help. I need help.
If somebody gets to
Jeez. So I'll teach you how to play.
Wait, hold on.
Can you not wall run in that direction? Is that how it works?
Do I know how to walk fast?
Yeah, how do you walk fast? How do you walk fast? That's my question.
So you know how you can like move your hands fast?
I know how to I know how to walk a little bit. Like I know how to do this, like this,
Okay.
but I don't really know how to like.
Oh.
Wait, I can
Go
teach you. I'm
fast?
really good.
How,
You
okay.
go like that.
I
You like slap. You slap the
Let me
You
see
go-
how you move. Let me see how you move. Let me see how you move.
I just walk like this, like, but I don't know how to like
Try
walk
to
fast.
Swing.
I know how to kind of.
Try to like swing.
Like
Instead of like what's
this.
That? See?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like try to keep yourself on the ground, like close to the ground. So you
How
can
to run fast?
Wait, hold on. My brother's telling me something.
Bro, guess what?
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, you can do what he's doing. Yeah, like, I'm not gonna.
My brother said something. My brother said something about a code or something.
What code did he say?
I don't know. He just said code. Like he said like join a code or something.
Oh wait, I can show you how to join codes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I like that, bro. It is fun.
Oh no! I fell.
I'm coming. I can get out of the map.
Whoa.
You missed.
I'm gonna get out of
Oh,
They
dude,
keep-
dude. I'm missing. You missed.
They keep pushing me off.
Dude, don't. He's new.
Ooh, a little blue thing.
Yeah, they go.
How do you?
Join the code. Yeah, come
Wait.
on. Just jump. Just jump.
Hey, I'll tell you how. How you could do it?
Like pull your hands under like this. Like, look. Like, do that and push yourself up, but then you come
Yeah.
up.
Like, don't do it like with your hands. Try
I did it.
one
Good job.
hand. It'd be easier. Good job, yeah.
And then come to the code machine. And then 2 by username. Guys, look who I have. Is that putting out move?
C.
Okay.
See,
Okay,
by
see.
username.
Okay, I got it.
Guys, only blue, not you.
My dog.
And then press enter.
Oh my god.
Dude, leave.
No, I said I would teach him too. I said I would teach him too. Like,
Dude.
Yeah, he did. You did.
Oh, okay. Picture. Okay, so what do you want to learn first?
I don't know anything really.
Is there like
Really?
pushing upwards? Like trying to like swing forward, not like push down too hard. Just like gently move your arms like this.
Like,
Yeah, just jump down. No, but like still swing. Yeah, like or if you want to move like really fast, put your arms in a circle.
Like, how I do it sometimes.
Like put your arms in a woolly, like you're rolling up. your hands,
Like this. Hold on. Wait, can I try? Like, so like.
What?
Oh god.
I can't even
See?
do that.
Yay!
Can't do that fast, bro. Oh my god. Dog water today. So do you want to learn how to pitch climb?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That's actually
So
really
pretty
cool.
So pretty much you hug the wall, pull yourself down, push yourself up. But then you gotta grab on. Then you can do this.
And I used to not know how, but now I'm like really good at it.
Oh,
So,
I fell.
and I only like been in Girl Scouts for not like a long time.
Yeah.
That's why I am cat too much.
Dude. Yes. You're so close. Come on. No, don't give up.
I did it.
Yeah.
I did
Good
it.
job.
Good
Do
job.
you want to learn how to do double walls? Jump down.
Wait, I won't take any fall damage like Minecraft.
This
No,
is
no bother.
really hard. Yeah,
Don't
that is
stop.
hard. Well, pretty, like when I just got
think
in
you
the
do
game, it
this,
was
like-
pretty hard.
Look, you
But I
push
just
yourself
got
up
you.
to the wall. Push off the wall and try to push yourself up and to the side.
Yeah, like as soon as you get,
I can't get myself upwards.
Push yourself upwards first if you need. Like, look, dude. Like, you can push yourself up from the ground and then you
Like-
from there. Yeah.
I'm doing it.
See?
good job. It took me a year to get up here
That
before.
took me a
Good
week.
job.
I'm a
took me
fast
weeks.
learner. I'm a very fast learner.
Yes, you are.
Oh, I'm a slow learner. Hey,
If you
Oh,
didn't
wow.
know balloons, you can grab balloons.
oh yeah, my
Hey, it's the same
my
color as
friend
me.
learned me that. Yeah. Try,
Guys, you ready?
yeah.
Ah! I'll catch you! Dog in the butt.
Is there?
Okay, so
How do I change? How
You
do
wanna
I
know-
change it to different colors, or can I only say one color?
oh, no, you can't.
Oh. Yo,
Come up here.
he dogs go. Oh, sorry. There's my dog. He is really fast.
Oh, blue. So like, come over here,
And
and
can
you can
choose your
search for any color.
Okay.
See?
What color do you want? You want pink, green,
White,
black? Okay,
yeah.
white.
Yay!
Oh.
Do you want to
Yeah.
know how to get cosmetics?
Yeah.
Wait, come.
Okay,
Come follow me. You guys turn it? Yeah.
Sometimes I get stuck on the.
So wait, white. How much did this say?
600.
Oh, nice.
Same.
Same battery, but like in 5
Whoa,
minutes, I'll get
those are
700.
cool.
Dude, come.
I just
Yes,
spend
oh.
mine a lot.
You could buy a
have this.
bow tie.
You could buy
a bow
this.
tie.
Oh,
A party hat.
Hey, bro.
Who? Get out,
You mean
please.
who checked my friend's code, you weirdo?
This is my code, dude. I use
Yeah,
it
not
on
your code,
a
bro.
daily basis.
You are
Look,
not
how
here on
many
a
is
daily
it?
basis.
his name
Shut up,
is
kid.
it.
I do.
Shut up.
Oh well. If you say
Can
that,
you
you
leave?
actually have to leave, or we're putting you as bad words.
No, dude, we never said that. Like, boy, what the hell?
Well, like,
Whoa!
Dude,
like,
can
you're not.
you
Like,
please
you're not allowed to say bad words on Gorilla Tag. It literally says.
There's
that
an
as a rule.
arcade.
Shut
Yeah,
the
it's
fuck
arcade.
up.
Yeah, I'm on Smash too, but don't
Yeah,
want to get paid.
the
But I don't
arcade
want
is
to.
fine.
Okay, so white. Is this one else restoring?
Yeah.
So, just
Hey, dude, come on.
leave, please, please.
Can you please?
Blah 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 blah. Stop copying whatever I say, and stop being rude and
Who else just
saying
joined?
that.
SMO.
Who is everybody else?
I don't know.
Hey, dude.
They just took your code.
You butt is hold a mask.
Where?
Oh, okay.
Yo, is
How you know? There's a bunch of other stuff you get, like this.
Oh yeah, that's
Mm.
why.
You be private.
Yeah, is he joining?
I'm back.
Yeah,
I have those. You,
So wait, do you guys know what you look
it's
like?
really hard to see.
Cause I can't.
You could
Shut up!
bro.
Good
If you're gonna
boy.
say that, just leave the game.
Over here, look.
No, you leave, monkey.
No, we're trying to teach him how to play. We're trying to teach him how to play.
Oh.
Yo, these kids are not good.
Press this.
I'm actually good at the game.
Hey, I'm decent.
I'm.
For only
A
2
sweat?
months, I'm decent. Yeah,
You
sweat.
gotta leave this code.
Leave.
This is my code.
You leave.
I've been here.
This is
Let me
ours.
show you how
Look
long
at
I've been in. I've been playing this game for.
Yeah, you might be
This has
playing
been
for
my
long.
phone since I started.
I look like
And
I look
play
like
Minecraft
someone that
now.
was in COVID-19,
Yo.
bro. How do I purchase
Yo.
this item?
Yo, come.
Over here.
I played
Come.
for so
Press
long
this.
ago.
Press this.
Look at this. Look at this. Do you see this? Do you see this?
Okay, now okay. Yeah.
G-Tag 1. I've
And
been here
I was
since
only
I
playing for
started.
2
months.
Okay.
Now leave this
then you
code.
have it. Then follow me.
Guys,
So I
add
gotta
a
go.
K to the code. Add a K to the code. Add a K to the code.
This is my code.
Not you guys. Definitely not you guys.
We aren't going
Just
to.
don't be
We don't
mean.
want
Just let's keep it family.
to. My bad, I'm not keeping it.
Yeah, true. Okay,
Stop
add a
talking
K. Two
Okay,
K?
add a K and then enter.
Oh, let's see if they join. Hello?
Yeah, boy. What's up? Oh yeah, here's how you put on your cosmetics.
Okay,
So
so
look, the one that's like white,
oh, it's
base and then click it. That. No, wait, it's yeah.
I have it.
Yes.
Oh, that's a
Okay, do
cool
you
badge.
want me to,
Yo.
do you want me to show you different maps?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so over here, you already saw 2 maps. This is Kagan.
Oh, that's so.
Oh,
This
it's
is so cool.
Sorry. Guys, sorry.
How do you do that?
Sorry.
How do you grab onto
Just like
that?
just hold your triggers like this. Look.
Guys, where
Wait,
are you?
Kagan. Kagan. So
Okay. Okay.
wait, I'll make a swing. I'll make a swing really quick.
Okay, guys. I'm really happy that I finally got here because I was about to be really sad because you guys are my
Where?
friends.
Yeah. You can pick up snowballs and put them together. See?
How
No,
do
you
you
get
do it
like this.
fast?
Oh, I know how. Let me show you. Oh. Whee! You can do that thing that I showed you.
Or you could just walk up. Hey guys, I could do the snowball glitch. Oh no, I can't.
So what other
How do
maps
you do
are
the
there?
Snowball.
Oh, how do you guys?
Wait,
How do you
want me
guys?
to show you how to make a path? Like that?
Hi. Yeah, I want to
Wait,
know
head
how
close
to
to
do
each
it
other. Yeah. Yeah, he just did it.
I did it.
Wait, how do you change your
Okay,
name?
what?
How do you change your name?
Oh, wait, come.
Oh, come.
Oh, no, I'll show him, dude. I'll show him.
Okay, okay, okay. I should.
Dude,
wait. How... Bro,
Okay,
now you
so
have
come. So press the arrow. No. And then delete. And then name.
gorilla. Delete. Now you can write anything you want.
My dog.
I'm changing my name.
I'll
Wait.
keep
Name tags are on. I don't want Smile anymore. I want
Ghostface. Yes, sir.
Look at this.
Yeah.
There's a map down there.
That looks
Tell-
scary. That looks scary.
The cave. Okay. Yeah, that always happens. Say like you.
Guys, where did you?
Not OG.
Wait, what's OG caves?
It's a scarier place, but you don't want to go.
Oh, okay. This actually looks really pretty.
Oh, isn't that fun?
It is.
Look, it is.
Dude,
It has
That's so cool.
yeah, like you click the crystal.
it like that.
What's this?
Guys, there's a bat. You want the
Oh,
bat?
yeah, back to back.
There's a bat.
Uh-huh. I see him right now. They're trying
Yeah,
to
I'll get him. Dude, I'll get him. Oh, messed up. Oh, he's got it.
There you go. I love the bat.
Look at him.
Oh my god.
I never caught the bat. It's so cute. Oh no! Why isn't there any water?
It all got removed, so Shafts did. Look, there's a little fall you could do.
Our senior bat the bat.
Oh, is he coming?
Guys. Ready? Listen. Ready, guys? I'm gonna play
Yeah.
a song.
Fine.
Wait, I gotta.
What? Okay. Let me see. Coming.
I played the song, guys. Okay, what other maps?
Come. Follow. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. You could just jump down there if you want. And then jump up here. And then get the rope. That gotta go. And then use your triggers to get up. I messed up. I messed up. Oh my god. I'm dog water right now. Why?
I'm stuck.
Dude,
Oh, I'm
I'm
stuck. I'm stuck. I got up.
Yeah, I'm calling.
Oh, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Wait, let's see other maps. Come on, bro. Let's see other maps.
Hey. Jump over here. Yeah, nice. Dude,
What is this?
OG caves. It's OG caves.
This is kind of scary.
Yeah. Oh, that other dude's gone. And then, like, you come down here. He's like, Then,
And that was it, messing with him. So now I decided to tell him the truth.
go slow. Sounds fun.
Whoa.
Like this cold
This is scary. I don't like it. I'm leaving. This is scary.
No, dude, stay.
This is scary.
Stay. Just stay.
This map's scary, bro.
You don't like it.
No, I don't.
Okay, then not the other maps.
Wait, I gotta tell you something. Hold on. What's up,
I
bro?
got a new book. I got a new book. What's up?
Yeah. This is a YouTube video.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Nice.
I was just trying to trick that other. I was just trying to trick that other dude, trying to think that you were new, like more new.
Good.
Thank
Thank you. So technically you were helping me.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. Well, anyways, guys, make sure to subscribe and like. And this dude, you did good job.